What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have a 1.4 Pro item from PYRO FORTUNE or Sunwing. That's Sunwing's Pro line. It is a 49 shot fan shaped cake. It has white strobe mine burst to brocade crown with white strobe. It's got some angle to it, as you see on the top. This is make sure you face the right direction. You can kind of see here, it's got some angle to it. So you gotta make sure you go the right direction. The product code is, or number is PFC006. So let's take it out, see how she looks. Yeah, it's hard.